Hi, this is Aaron from Galvin Engineering, and today we're going to show you some programming features of the Iqua Touch tap. We've done a series of these different videos. We've already covered this one that we're going to do today, but we did the sensor range and follow-up time at the same time on one of the videos. So this time I'm just going to do how to adjust the sensor range. This is very useful when, for example, you don't want the sensor sticking out so far. I mean, like, put your hand here, it comes on real easily. You want to bring the sensor back a little bit further, or for some reason, maybe you want to bring the sensors out so it actually activates right here, a little bit further back from the tap. You know, I mean, you want to activate here as opposed to right there. It depends on what's required at your particular installation. So this just shows you how to do it. This has a factory setting of anywhere. Well, it has settings of anywhere 1 to 8 as in increments of out, so forth. Factory one is set at 6, which is roughly around about at the end of the tap right there. You can bring it out a little bit further. Anyway, we'll go quickly to show you how to adjust that. It's pretty easy to do. We'll start off like as normal with a business card. Reflects off the back of this business card really easily. The sensor is right here at the base. So the first thing we do, as always, with the Iqua Touch range, which is the one that's got the sensor right there in the bottom, that's where this card reflects off, and that's how to activate it. There's no button. So the first thing we do, you take your card and you put it in front of the sensor, the bottom half of it, for 2 seconds till you see that green light come on. After that's come on, you take your card away and you put it back in front 2 times really quickly, half seconds. It then has a pulsing red light. Then you put it back in front of the sensor for 15 seconds. Now, as you're holding it there, you'll see 4 flashes after 5 seconds. Ignore that, just keep holding it there. After that, the next flash is coming up will actually be the sensor range. It'll go flash 1 to 8 times. So first 1 second, third, fourth, up to 8 times. You remove it whenever you get to the distance you would like to set it at. So we'll go ahead and try that and see what happens. Two seconds. 1, 2, back across. Ignore the little flashes there. Keep holding. You're going to see 4 flashes. Ignore those ones. Now the next flash is going to be the range. So we'll set it to like 2 or something. 1, 2. Bring the card back. It'll come on. It just does this calibration, sort of like the restart, just kind of measures the ambient light. Now it says it's ready to go. So bring my hand here. Normally it would turn on there. Can't see me because it's been moved back. So right here, no. In closer. Closer. So you can bring that even back further. You can bring it right back to 1, which is really close. Depends on what you want to do. I mean, that really works well when you have the reflections that I said in the other video. So let's do it again. 2 seconds. You wait, you go past that little flash, that's in sleep mode, but we're just keep on going past that. You'll do 4 flashes, we'll ignore those ones. Now watch out, when it starts flashing again, we'll remove a card after the first flash. That means it's been set back as far as it can be set back. Just let it settle itself down. So now, moving your hands, it's not going to turn on. You need to come right close to the tap. So we'll set that back out. Again, back to the normal settings. 2 seconds. 1, 2. Back in front. Ignore that little sleep mode one. Ignore the 4 flashes coming up. So when it starts flashing, we'll count 6 and we'll put it to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's the normal factory setting. You can go up to 8. So when we put our hand in front of it, it's running, take it down, turn it off. On, take away, turns off. Anyway, that's just a quick video on how to adjust the sensitivity range. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at Galvin Engineering on 089-249-00. Have a good day.